Hey there. All right, here's your workout. 3 rounds, 10 repetitions apiece. You're gonna start out with mountain climbers, and it's 10 on each side. So we're really gonna work on staying in your plank, okay? It's not super difficult exercise, but it is when you do it painfully slow, okay? So feet in the stirrups, up to a plank, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next exercise, I call it a 1-2-1 squat. So we're going to squat with one leg, then with 2 legs, then with 1 leg, and it's 10 squats on each side. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 8, 2, 1, 2. Last one on each side. Woo, that's a good one. Okay, row to a T. 10 rows total. So you're gonna row, reach out to that T. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, everyone's favorite, burpee. So you're gonna make your handles into 1. Handle in, handle back in, make sure it's secure, pull on the handle, okay? Hook your foot to the handle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kick your foot out of that. Row to a reach. Keep your handles in a single handle mode, but you're going to shorten up the handles. Okay, here we go. Reach. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. It's like pulling a bow and arrow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, jumping lunge. So it's a lunge on each side. Split your handles. 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oblique twist. Lengthen out your handles. Both feet in. Flip over. And you're going to twist. 10 on each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. Chest press. You keep your handles same length. Elbows out wide. Stabilize. That's why I love these things. 8, 9, 10. 3 rounds of this, 2 more rounds. There's your workout.